How to convert GGives to cash. So GGives is a feature with Gcash, which is primarily designed for installment purchases and not direct cash conversions. While you can use GGives to pay for goods and services where Gcash is accepted, converting the credit limit directly into cash isn't a feature. So here's what you can do and why. So GGives is why for spending and not a cash. So it's a buy now pay later feature that allows you to purchase items on installment using your Gcash account. There's also a credit limit and it directly converts GGives to cash, which is not an option. So here's what you can do. You can use it to buy some stuff. So you can use it using the stuff, you can sell the stuff. So you can cash out from your Gcash wallet. So if you have a balance in your Gcash wallet, you can cash out at authorized outlets or through online transfers. So if you want to, you can sell the items using your GGives or GGives credit to purchase items online and then sell them for cash on other platforms. You can also borrow from other Gcash features like if you need cash urgently, just explore other options like the G loan, which might offer cash loans after approval. And then lastly, you can pay your GGives dues. So you're regularly paying your dues on time can help increase your GGives limit for future purchases or potentially open up other opportunities within Gcash. So here's some important notes. Always be mindful on the terms and conditions associated with GGives and any loans you take out. Ensure you understand the interest rates, the payment schedules, and any associated fees. And lastly, if you're having trouble within your Gcash account, contact the Gcash customer support for assistance.